the meadow we can build a snowman.
Think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay. I had a feeling you should surprise that dude.
It's been a year, Dad.
Gentlemen, I want to show you my balls. Look at them, they're silky and smooth. Those are their attributes, I haven't given them names.
What are you doing, Uncle Jack?
I'm gonna pull the turkey out. it's just
Did it get burnt?
We got a burnt turkey, guys!
it's just the skin. Relax.
Jack, that's not even funny.
Namdi is 3 years old, and he has not had any food or water.
Michael here. Where are your fingers?
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Dogs do that. Why do they stop and look at something like when there's nothing there, and it's like, why do they do that? So we go check it out. You know, I gotta walk him down the stairwell, and he's like, I ain't going down that way. I'm like, come on, bud. He's like, hell no. Out of nowhere, he takes off. Classic Daryl move. I gotta go get him before, you know, he runs into someone coming up the stairs. Probably scare the shit out of him. I would be pretty freaked out if I was coming up the stairs and a dog was...
Look, lady, whatever you're selling, I ain't buying, yo.
Well, my name is Skylar White, yo. My husband is Walter White, yo. Uh-huh. He told me everything.
This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my lungs.
Paw? Good boy, other paw?
So intelligent!
Bars, check it. Hey.
The world record for most dumbbells thrown at someone's face is 0. That's it. Let's beat it. Ready? Throw it.
Hi guys, today we have my son and we are doing the emoji challenge. Today I'm doing whipped cream.
Happy Easter, Grandpa!
What are you so mad about, you little cocksucker? Quit that.
Can sneak up behind it and scare it.
Hey, Palpatine.
Yes, Darth Vader.
If you don't jump down there, you're gay.
Bet.
Drive, Henderson, what?
Oh, it's the Optimum Pride! Kaya sa Optimum Pride,
Well, hello there, little guy. What you doing, fella? Did you want to come out and play? Yeah, don't be shy.
This girl was like, "You're just so down to earth. You're just so human."
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Puff giving my BF a shovel.
Give the guy a shovel and this is what he...
Kick him in the hole! Babe, what are you doing? Silent peasant! What did you call me?
Babe, stop embarrassing me in front of my friend.
¿Qué me hace feliz? ¿Qué me hace feliz? Mira, te voy a explicar lo que me hace feliz. ¿Ves? Esto de acá, sí, mira. Y eso por ahí. Y la vieja de allá.
Dang, bro. Costume's looking lit, bro. Ninja costume.
Hi, what would you like to order?
Can I get an ice caramel?
What?
An ice caramel?
What would you like to order?
An ice...